Welcome to An Hour of Code. I am Miss Vlachakis, and this is Ty.
Hello.
We're here to show you how to use our Hour of Java Code on Vocareum, and we wanted to also introduce ourselves a little bit. So let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am a computer science teacher. I teach computer principles, and I teach AP Computer Science to high school students, and I've been doing this for the past 6 years.
I'm Ty Simpson, and I'm one of Miss Vlachakis' students. I've been teaching myself Java for the last 6 years, and I'm also working with Android.
So we are very excited to bring you an hour of code on Vocareum, and what we're going to do with this particular lesson is to show you how the actual platform of Vocareum actually works, and we're also going to show you a little bit of how you use the lessons, but we're going to split up our lessons into 3 different videos, one for the Hello World program that you can do during Hour of Code, and one for transforming images, and another one for the program that allows you to create a flag. So let's get started. This right here, what you see is the Vocareum platform, and on the Vocareum platform you are going to have 2 buttons that you can click on, and we're going to go ahead and click on Details and show you the student side of how this works. On the left-hand side, I'm going to show you how to actually access your programs. This is Hello World, and when you click on Hello World, you see an orange button right here that allows you to launch the program that the students are going to be creating. So I'm going to launch that. In this program, you will see a small little owl on the left-hand side, and you will also see a few tabs, one that says File, one that says Editor, one that says Console, and one that says Build and Run. These 2 buttons are ones that we're going to use very often when we're actually creating the program. In this particular program, you're going to actually build a little owl, which we will do very quickly. Please refer to the Hello World video to actually see the complete tutorial on how to use this. But if you hit Run, it will actually show you the small owl. On the right-hand side of this screen, you actually have step-by-step explanation of what it is that you need to do. You also have a section that allows you to learn about the different code segments that have been put into the OWL program. Just back up here a little bit, and this area you're going to see all the files. In the console, you're going to see any type of error messages, and in the editor, you click on editor, you're going to see the actual instructions again. Don't worry if your students make a mistake. It is very easy to reset the assignment to where you started. I'm going to click on Labs now so that I can go ahead and show you the other assignments that are there, and I'm going to let Ty tell you a tiny little bit about that. But again, please refer to the other tutorials that we've set up on this webpage for you to be able to know how to actually use all of the lessons that we've set up for the students. And I do want to tell you that I'm very proud of Ty and all the students who have set up these programs. They were set up by students for students. So please mention that to your students so that they know that these are programs that they felt were very meaningful and would leave them with hopefully a good impression about programming, and then make them excited about taking programming classes and hopefully visit these classes after they graduate from high school and go on to it and maybe hopefully make it into a career for them. Okay, Ty, will you tell us about transforming images?
All right, so this, once you head out back to where you can see all the assignments, you'll go ahead and click on Transforming Images, and then you can click Launch. And here you'll see more code, and it's the same general editor and the same file browser. So here, you're going to be using the file browser more than with the Hello World program. So we're going to build, and wait, and then run. And with this program, once you finish running, you will actually have to go into the file browser to see the output. And so that will be under filtered.jpg. And so this adds a filter onto an image. So that's the image that was output by the code. And the original looked like this. Oh, whoops. the original image looked like this. So you can see that the code added a purplish hue to the image. And that's all in the instructions as well as how to change that.
Okay, and that's our small introduction right now to show you what the platform of Vocareum looks like. If you need to actually sign up for Vocareum right now, you can go ahead and go to the link that we've posted on this website, and Vocareum will contact you so that you can actually get access to our lessons. You will have to also have an Edmodo account to do so. And the last one that's on here is called Create Your Own Flag, and it's the same scenario. You click on the orange button, it takes you to the actual program. There are lessons here on the right-hand side that will tell you instructions on what to do on the actual program. Thank you so much for joining us.
And we hope that you enjoy using our programs. Just remember to visit vocareum.com/hourofcode to sign up. Thank you.
And also visit our other broadcasts with the instructions for the videos.